In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the PHP version for your WordPress site using cPanel. This process is crucial for maintaining your website's performance, security, and compatibility with WordPress and its plugins. Plus, newer PHP versions often bring speed improvements and additional features, which can enhance your website's overall efficiency. Let's start by logging into your cPanel account. If you're not familiar with cPanel, it's a popular web hosting control panel that provides a user-friendly dashboard to manage your website. You'll typically receive the login details from your hosting provider. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with a wide array of options and icons. But don't worry, we're going to focus only on what's needed. Now, you want to scroll down until you find the software section. This area contains various tools for managing your site's back-end software. Look for the icon labeled Select PHP Version. Clicking on this will take you to a page that displays the current PHP version your website is using, as well as a list of available versions you can upgrade to. Selecting a PHP version isn't always straightforward, and it's important to choose a version that's supported by both WordPress and your theme or plugins. If you're unsure, most plugins work well with the latest stable version. However, if you're using some older plugins or themes, do check their documentation or support forums to avoid potential issues. After choosing the desired PHP version from the drop-down menu, the next step is to click the Set as Current button. This action will immediately update the PHP version for your site. Within moments, your website will run using the new version of PHP. Once you've made the change, it's a good idea to verify that everything is working properly. Visit your website and check the main pages to ensure they load correctly. If you spot any issues, the problem might stem from compatibility issues with outdated plugins or themes, which may need updating or replacing. In case you encounter persistent issues or your site becomes unresponsive, don't panic. You can revert back to the previous PHP version using the same process in cPanel. Or you might want to reach out to your hosting provider's support team for assistance, as they can offer fast solutions to such problems. Remember, keeping PHP up to date doesn't just enhance performance. It also strengthens your site's security by patching vulnerabilities. So keeping an eye on updates and schedule regular checks can be beneficial in keeping your website running smoothly and securely. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully updated the PHP version for your WordPress site using cPanel, ensuring your website remains fast, secure, and compatible with all the latest features that WordPress has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy updating!